Welcome fellow traders to my channel, Pips Array on YouTube. We've been operating on Instagram for a while, offering chart analysis and breakdowns of trades on there, and we've come over to YouTube. I use all my social media purely for journaling of my trading. So that's breaking the charts down, looking at weekly outlooks, daily outlooks, any trade ideas, trade setups I've taken, looking at where I've placed my stop loss, where I've placed my TP, and effectively giving me the opportunity to go back through videos or images or analysis and seeing what I've done well and what I've done bad. Hopefully there's some value to some of the stuff we say for you guys. You might be able to learn along the way. Some of you guys have probably been trading for longer, might disagree with what I'm saying, but as I say, it's just my perspective on what I think the markets are doing and how I'm going to trade. And like everybody, we've all got to trade our own styles because we're all individuals. My psychology will be different to your psychology, so it's a matter of how you see the markets. There's going to be elements of it that are the same, but the reality is I could be looking for buys, somebody could be looking for sales, both of us come out profitable, and that's all that matters. So anyway, moving on, we're going to just quickly look at the gold chart at the minute. As I say, that's what I trade, and for me there is no trade set up at the minute. We've got gold at the minute that's pushed down quite heavily bearish. We're at a support. The reason for the push, I believe, is the tariffs imposed by Trump last night, but also the high impact news that we experienced at market open. That was positive for the dollar, hence the fact we're seeing gold continue on this bearish push down. Now, the potential you might find is at this level, over to the left, we've got some support. If gold can create a support on the 30-minute, there is a chance that price will retrace, potentially getting liquidity to either move down or to correct this move. And that's about as good as it gets. There's nothing you can do, just sit on your hands and wait. Patience pays. As I say, either wait for a support. If you do get into buys, guys, be very careful of this level here, because that obviously was an area of indecision here. Price never really wanted to go anywhere. It shows as a doji and a slight sort of bullish candle, but I'd be wary. Price could easily use that as a rejection point and then continue down on this bearish move. So they're my perspectives. Buys if we can get support here, but I'd probably be looking at a TP there. Or alternatively, if you waited for support to come here and get for price to move up and get a resistance, I'd look for sales back down. But probably going to set my hands today, protect capital, and wait for tomorrow. At least we can see some volume and some movement, so that's a positive. Let's look forward to tomorrow. If you are interested in the channel and you're finding that it might be useful, subscribe to it, then you'll get all of the updates on the videos that we put up. And obviously like and comment on anything that you find interesting. Cheers guys, take care.